Once you've registered your device as a POS, you can change the aspects of the configuration, and I'm just going to show you how to do it and where to find it in the dashboard. First of all, go to the Partner Centre and click on Administrator, where you'll see the button called epos configuration, and it will list all the devices you have registered to be used as a POS. You can configure all the terminals at the top level. I like to think of this row as a library. Or you can go to individual terminals and edit them by clicking on them, and then you've got another menu across the top, which means you can have specific things attached to a specific device. Make sure you watch the tutorials on what each of the options does. So there you have it. That just shows you where to find epos configuration if you need to change any of the devices that you've registered.